Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you 3 business opportunities that you're unaware right now. So what you will learn today? You will learn that why you should start an e-commerce business, in particular to print on demand, and how to create an online teaching class and be paid, and why online coaching is going to be big. During this pandemic, we know that these particular 3 areas, e-commerce, online teaching, online coaching, are a $1 trillion industry, and this 3 industry is booming at this moment. The changes in consumer engagement in services and online coaching or teaching will get more and more people or more and more business will want to engage in this type of services. Now, print on demand business allows you to scale into multiple platforms without a high initial capital. For example, Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and Redbubble, all these have print on demand capability. You can leverage your design onto this platform. You can always sell your designs and teach. You can also teach on some of the online platforms that pays you for creating classes. For example, like Udemy and Skillshare. By creating videos or short courses, you can start to acquire a group of people that will be interested in the topic that you are teaching. And online coaching can be structured in the way that you can reach out to international audience, and you can actually start with guru.com, peopleperhour.com. List your services on this platform to get your initial customer. And once you create your course, your design, or your coaching programs, you will be paid over and over again. So there's no any other business that can do this at this moment. So in summary, pick one industry that mentioned in this video and start with it. And learn the skill that is required, take some action, and build your additional source of income. Many people are into this industry, but only the top 1% makes the 6 figures and above. So if you want to be the top 1%, make sure that you start now. Acquire the skill, and through a long period of time, like 3 to 5 years, you will become the top expert. And there's no time other than now to start a print-on-demand business, an e-commerce store, and to teach online. So I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.